Okay, hey guys, spoilers before you open the box, pause here if you haven't seen it, which I'm pretty sure you might have already seen everything already, but I got mine late. So let's go ahead and get started opening the box. So, I'm going to go ahead. I'm purposely not showing my address on that side, only because I don't want you guys to know where I live. So I'm going to go ahead and open. I'm so excited, so nervous, but excited. So we are opening up and making sure it is recording. So, oh my goodness, what do we have here? Let's take the whole thing out. Oh my goodness gracious. Seems like we have some brush pens. I'm taking everything out, then we'll go ahead and review them. So, oh, it's this. Okay, I'm excited. And of course, we have the Sketchbox sticker. Really excited for that. I'm taking everything out at once, and then I'll set the box aside. And then we'll go over the materials. So I had gotten everything out of the way. Everything's out of this box. Put the box down real quick. So we have the featured artist right here. Here is the illustration of that. Redora Jacob. With a whimsical and distinct style, Redora explores different mediums and themes throughout her artwork. She's been featured in galleries across the US, London, Canada, Japan, and exhibits in artist alleys at comic conventions regularly. Pieces of her work are available on her website, and it is available for commissions of original work as well. So here's her art. And here is the paper. This custom 4x9 pad is brought to you by Sketchbox and Hand Manual. I can't pronounce that right, but sorry if I kind of butchered that. But here is the paper. So we're going to go ahead. I'm just making sure everything's recording. So here is the art supplies. Japanese traditional colors. Oh my goodness. This looks like a brush pen. It reminds me of the Arteza brush pens, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit. So we'll take everything out of the package off camera so that we can be ready to go. And then Pro Marker Watercolor Winsor Newton. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have a blast with this, especially since it's burnt umber. Wow. So I'm going to set that aside. And then we have this brush pen. I have worked with these before, different like art snacks and powerful packs. These are really great brush pens. So that's familiar to me. Here's the pink one. Traditional colors, and I'll compare these with the Arteza watercolor brush pens as well. So maybe we could get like a benefit of the doubt for that. But I love this, and I cannot wait to use these with my sketches and everything. And we also have here Faber-Castell watercolor markers. So it seems to be like a watercolor theme here, which I'm ecstatic for because I love watercolor. We have, I think this is just a regular brush pen of ink. I'm not really sure because everything's in thin line in Japanese. So thin line, tip of brush made thin line. Okay, so it's kind of like a thin line pen, ink pen, or like a regular brush pen. So there is that. There's lots of goodies in today's box. Then we have ink line pen, which is this chiseled pen as we see here, which is really interesting. It's in brown, so that's interesting. And then we have a paintbrush, and then we have the menu, which is everything right here. So we have the Pentel micro brush with their new Pro Marker, Faber-Castell watercolor marker, King Art ink line pen brown, Sketchbox signature mop brush, Humidol Harmony, And then we have the Acacia Sky Thin Line and the Acacia Sky watercolor brush pen. If I'm saying it completely wrong, I'm so sorry. So we have all of these art supplies. I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of them. There's a lot of art supplies here on the piece of paper for you guys, and then we'll draw something with them. I'm not sure what I'm going to be drawing yet. I'm going to get a taste of the waters of the art supplies, open them off camera. I'm really excited for these to be using them in my daily sketchbook. So I'm really excited for these art supplies. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, I'm really excited for today's video, and it is just a relaxing draw with me type video. And with that being said, we are unboxing the Sketchbox September 2021 Sketchbox today. As you see here, I've already unboxed it, so if you're starting the video at this point, go back and rewind and see the art supplies that came with the box. And yeah, so I'm really excited about these art supplies that I received, and this was a birthday surprise from my brother's girlfriend, Leigh, and thank you, Leigh, for this box. I'm really excited and happy with it, and I love the art supplies in it. You'll see what I draw towards the end of the video. Right now, I'm just testing out the supplies and getting used to the feel of them, and just watching them out and trying to get the best use out of them. Now, most of them are watercolor, and I'm like, you know what, I bet you I can use water with them. So I've tried off camera to use water with them, and they worked great, and so I'm like really excited about the art supplies in this video. Now, as you see here, I got back from vacation a few days ago, and I was finally got the Sketchbox in the mail, and I had to wait until after vacation, which is totally worth it because I felt like this box suited my needs, and it was great. So I've had a lot of fun with this box. I can't wait to. This is me trying the brush pen with water, see the blend and everything. How do I say this? Waterproof pen. So now we're going on to the drawing. For the drawing, I did something a little different. I wanted to do my own take of the drawing, but I wanted also to do something different than the artist featured at the box. Like, I wanted to do Monkeys at Sunset, so that's what I did here, and I thought that it turned out pretty cute. I was actually pleasantly surprised, with the Sketchbox. So, I did Monkeys at Sunset. I was pretty happy with the concept that I came up with, and for some reason, I'm on a sunset kick, and right now, and I've been exploring sunsets and everything for the bullet journal I've been doing. I have sunset giraffe theme for this week's bullet journal, but that's not related to the video nonetheless. But anyways, I've been hooked on sunsets, and it's been really fun trying to capture the colors and everything. And this red and pink brush pen that you'll see coming up in the video I had used for sunset. Now, I will say I did use all the art supplies in the box. I was very happy with that. And you see me here inking with the brush pen that's thin lined. Definitely create thin lines, and I'm really happy with that because I've always wanted a pen that's very detailed and very detail oriented for small details and able to fit that need of the art supplies. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump on over to coloring the piece a little bit. So, oh yeah, what I was going to say is I did use Arteza real brush pens for this piece as well. I just wanted to turn out good for you guys and to actually finish the illustration and for you guys to get a better picture with it as well. So, I did use, basically other art supplies as well, just to overall have a better feel to it and how to explain this, a better outcome of the picture. So, yeah, so here we are with the red brush pen. So I'm really happy with that and how this came out. I'm just so tickled I was able to use all the art supplies in the box. I feel like I left the art supplies out, but if I did, don't come at me. But hopefully I didn't. But I felt like I used every one of them. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on speed or music, and we'll see you in the outro. I just wanted to quickly add a thank you to Leigh for this box. I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Try out all the art supplies, especially watercolor themed. So thank you, Leigh, for this box. I can't wait to get October's, and it's been really exciting to open up another Sketchbox subscription box. And yeah, so thank you, Leigh, again for the art supply box, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of, excuse me, of the illustration. I'm just finishing up, and I just wanted to show you guys a comparison of the illustration. These are the Sketchbox of Japanese brush pens that came with the box, and I just want to show you a comparison of the Arteza watercolor real brush pens and the Sketchbox brush pens. They look very similar, except these are thinner points. So I definitely recommend also, if you want to get some more brushes to these, get the Arteza ones. And I'm trying to think which brush pen. I think this is the green one, this is the pink one. So they're very similar. I just wanted to mention that and show you a demonstration. Obviously, I had used the pink, and what you can do, you can dip the brush pen in water, and you can use it that way and dilute the water. So I'm using different art supplies in the Sketchbox came with, because I wanted to make this look good, and I wanted to do my best with the drawing. So bear with me as I continue with the drawing here. But I did use all the supplies that I'm very happy with, and all the supplies, and I just want to finish the drawing, being able to show you a comparison of the brush pens that came with the box to the Arteza brush pens. That's what they reminded me of, and I just want to show you that you can get the Arteza pens and kind of do the same effect of the brush pens. So, want to go ahead and finish the drawing for you guys, and this is just my take on it, how I would naturally use them, because I love doing cartoon animals, and that's what I've been gravitated to lately with my cartoon animals. So that's why I wanted to do a little demonstration for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and, where did the other cap go? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, here we go. But I just want to wrap up a summary that it's okay to use other art supplies with your snack boxes, kind of like a little medical media illustration going on here. So I just want to finish it up, give a little comparison or two, demonstration wise, and hopefully being able to finish this illustration. So yeah, that's what I have going on for you guys, and I really don't have much else to say here. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Anna's Jolly channel. If you're new here, so welcome everyone. Going to go ahead and finish this illustration up. The art supplies reminded me of monkeys, so I'm like, I gotta do a monkey illustration. So, going to do that for you guys. So, dipping it in water and everything, trying to make it faster a little bit. I've been really hooked on sunsets lately, and I just thought this was the perfect opportunity to do so. And this little Sketchbox demonstration. Okay, so we have the little illustration going on here. I'm really excited how it came out. This is one of my better boxes that I've been able to use all the supplies, and then again with more supplies. So guys, if you're watching, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss the video. And guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys.